Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with what's essential. Confirm the phone can still power on, look for LED, vibration, or charging sound. Once done, plug a proven data-capable USB cable into the phone and your PC. Charge-only cables won't allow debugging. Make sure ADB and the correct OEM USB drivers are already installed on the computer. You need that toolset now because you will attempt ADB authorization steps without using the touchscreen. Preparing the software and a stable cable first saves time and prevents fruitless clicks. Next, get control or visibility. Connect an OTG mouse to navigate if the display is intact but touch is dead, or use an HDMI/MHL adapter to mirror the screen when available. If the display is completely black, boot into Recovery or Fastboot and attempt ADB commands to pull or push settings files. This can enable debugging on some devices. If using blind taps, rely on precise coordinates for your model and proceed slowly. Mistakes can trigger locks or wipe prompts, so be deliberate and patient. Finally, authorize and confirm. On the PC, run ADB devices to see if the phone appears as unauthorized or online. If you can view the screen, accept the RSA debugging prompt. If not, use a DB shell commands to set a DB enabled to one where possible, then reboot. Make sure to verify with ADB devices again. If things fail, try alternate cables, different USB ports, reinstall drivers, or connect via OTG/HDMI. If still unsuccessful, a hardware repair to restore the display.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.